Okay, this is Peppy getting ready to floss his beak because he's eating some really good birdie foods and he needs to clean his beak. So we got to get it in the right direction so he can be seen on the cage doing his beak. Now let me see. Is that maybe down low enough? Looks like it. Okay, here we go. Okay, it's time to floss our beak again. You ready, Peps? Ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Everybody likes their beaks all clean. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Oh, you're such a good boy. Look at him clean his beaks. Oh, he's so beautiful. Yay, Peppy! Woo! Say, whoa, I'm a great boy. Wow, amazing. Come on, come out here and say, I'm amazing. Say, I'm amazing. Raise your wings. I'm amazing. Come on, that boy. Raise it. I'm amazing. Woo! You're just a cutie pie. Peppy's a good boy. He did his teeth, his beak. He thinks he's a human, or his teeth.